What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be undercoating my front fender wells. You've seen most of my videos. I already did something similar to this on my GST Eclipse. So basically what you want to do is you want to clean it up a little bit, which I already did. Just a little wipe down, you know. But if you want to be a fucking tacuache, just spray it on there and don't give a fuck. Aesthetically, honestly. If you just want to spray it on there, that's on you. But I gave it a little wipe down, and this is how it looks. And whenever I put the wheel and stuff, I do not want it to look like that, which I'm going to do it. So I'm going to tape this, then I'm going to end up painting all of this too. So basically all this is going to be black. And for this video, guys, I forgot to mention that we're going to be using Rust-Oleum undercoating, which is the same product that I used for my other car. If you haven't seen the video, make sure, I'm going to put the link of it below, so make sure you check it out for more into detail to how to do it. Results compared to how it was. On this side I had to scrape all that it had right there with just like grease, so I just scraped it with the spatula and cleaned it up with a little bit of purple power. So this is what the final result looks like. Compared to how ugly and rusty it used to look, it looks so much better. And the sun's finally out, yeah. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. That's basically how you do it. You basically just clean it up and stuff, and if it has grease, then just take all that grease up, scrub it with something, a wire wheel if it has a bunch of it, like I did on the previous video on the GST one. Make sure you go check that out. That way there's more into details, and I actually filmed it like better. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to click the bell notification button, and see you in the next one.